Hello, my name is Lene Juhl Petersen, and I will give a short introduction to the webinar, What is a PIC? And you can listen to the entire webinar on Eurocars PIC's homepage. The aim of the webinar is to highlight and show examples of species-specific behaviors and explain why the possibility to perform these behaviors are important for the welfare of the pigs. I will first briefly set the scene for today's webinar by introducing two concepts, species-specific behaviors and behavioral needs. Both are important for animal welfare. So species-specific behaviors are innate behavior that are genetically shaped through evolution. They safeguard basic needs of the animal, so for their own survival as well as for offspring survival. Performing these behaviors and achieving the associated goals are rewarding for the animal. And the behaviors are elicited by hormones or by sensory input from the nervous system, such as vision, smell, or acoustic signals, or through key signals as key stimuli from the environment. So we could conclude that species-specific behavior is rewarding and lead to a positive mental state of the animal. But what are then behavioral needs? Needs that are associated with performing species-specific behaviors and that are controlled by a strong innate motivation. And we could conclude that when the behavior results in the desired goal being met, then it leads to contentment and pleasure, so put the animal into a positive welfare state. Whereas when the behavior does not result in the desired goal, then it leads to frustration, stress, and abnormal behavior, so put the animal into a negative welfare state. The entire webinar contains three topics. The first is on sexual behavior and nest building. The second is on social behavior, communication, and senses. And the third on foraging, resting, and thermoregulation. You can either choose to listen to the entire webinar on this homepage, or you can select one of the topics at a time and listen when you have time. Thank you for listening to this short introduction.